The jump rope scissors, one of our favorite intermediate steps where the feet slide back and forth, reminiscent of the Ali shuffle. Not quite though. There you go. That's Shana Brady from Punk Rope doing her best Muhammad Ali imitation. And I'm Tim Haft. And the scissor step starts with the rope on the ground, as with all steps that we're going to teach you. So Shana gets into good jump rope posture. She's got her elbows in tight to her ribs, feet close together, head is up. And the scissor step involves a forward slide, really, and a backward slide. So we like it because it's very low impact. The feet don't come far off the ground. And as one foot slides forward, the other slides back. So that's what creates the challenge with timing and coordination. The distance between the feet is fairly small. You'll see Shana's toes of her back foot are pretty close to the heel of her front foot. And as you're practicing, you want to try to keep that distance pretty consistent, right? If you vary it too much, that's a recipe for catching your rope on your foot. And we wouldn't suggest going too far apart. That becomes a mini lunge or a lunge, and that's a very difficult move and probably not one that makes sense with the jump rope, because we're after quickness, right? Quickness, coordination, agility. So now Shana picks up her rope and folds it in half. If you had a wrist trainer, that would work as well. She's going to keep her elbow in tight. Her right hand is dominant, so she'll start there. This is the windmill swing, spinning to the side. And then, while spinning to the side, she's going to replicate the footwork from the scissor step to get the feel of moving the feet while spinning the rope. Assuming that looks pretty good, which it does, she'll switch hands to her non-dominant, to her left hand. And the goal, guys, is to get your non-dominant up to speed with your dominant, right? That might take a little practice. Good. And I'm just going to adjust here slightly because Shana moved forward just a little bit. No, I want her to move back. There you go. Okay, good. Awesome. Now she's got one handle in each hand and she's ready to try the step while jumping through the rope. So once again, she's in her good jump rope posture. She's sliding those feet back and forth, finding a good tempo. Now she's rotating so you get a side view. And now she's making it even more challenging by turning in a circle. That's actually much more challenging. And she's made a complete circle, 360 degrees. That's awesome. And she's taking it back. Okay, no, she's gonna stop. That's good. Now, so the scissor step, really good for foot speed, right? For quickness. It's not something you would do for a long period of time. However, Shana's going to show you a challenge which is like an agility ladder, and it is moving laterally. So she's sliding to her left now before she was moving to her right. And she's got that slight flex in the knee and slight flex in the hip. And it's as if she's just moving up and down an agility ladder. So we wouldn't do this for more than maybe 15-30 seconds or so and then change steps. So one of the things you want to work on is building a repertoire so that you don't get stuck in the same step all the time. You flow from one to the other. But we hope this is a step that you're going to enjoy as much as we do. And we thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at punkrope.com. If you got questions about the scissor step or any other jump rope step, please jot them down in the comments below and we're going to get back to you as soon as we possibly can. And enjoy your new scissors. It's an awesome step. We love it. We hope you do too. And we'll see you next time.